Last topic of the chapter, that is equality and justice. Equality and justice go hand in hand in a democracy. So in a democratic form of government, equality and justice, they go hand in hand. When people are treated equally, they get equal justice. So when the people they are treated equally, they get equal justice in a democratic form of government. In India, the government has taken certain steps to ensure equality and justice. So in order to promote equality and justice in our country, Indian government had taken many steps. Let us see what are the different types of steps taken by the Indian government. The discretionary practice of untouchability has been abolished by law. So finally, the untouchability which was practice in our Indian society was finally abolished by the Indian government. Untouchability was an evil practice in which some people assume themselves to be the superior class and consider a section of the people untouchable. So what does the term untouchability means? Untouchability was a practice in which some people they think that they are the superior or the higher section of the society, and they consider the other section of the society as the untouchable or the lower section of the society. The untouchable face many discrimination and were denied all the basic rights. So the untouchable, that is the lower section of the society, they have to face a lot of discrimination and they were not given the basic rights. Today, the practice of untouchability is a punishable offense. So our Indian government, they have taken an initiative through which these untouchability was abolished from our Indian society. And if at present, if anybody is found that they are practicing untouchability, they will be punished by the Indian government. Next is the constitution also declare India to be a secular country. This means that people of all region are treated equally without any discrimination. So our Indian constitution, it declare India as a secular country. That means all the people, whether they belong to the any part of our country, they should be treated equally. However, some section of the society that have faced discrimination for a long period of time need special privileges so that they become a part of mainstream. For them, the government had made special provision called reservation. For example, some seats are reserved for the people of the backward classes in educational institution and government offices. So though the Indian constitution, it has mentioned that India is a secular country, but still there are many people who or you can say the poor section of the society or the backward section of the society, they are not given the basic rights. That's why Indian government had made a special provision known as reservation, through which the backward section of the society will get, or their seats will be reserved, especially in the educational institution and in the government offices or jobs. Next is women have been denied the right to education and other privileges for many centuries. So the government has passed several laws to ensure justice for women and the girl child. So we already know the condition of women in our society, right? The women or the girls are not given the basic right to education and other facilities from centuries. So the Indian government had passed a law through which the women will get equal justice, and even the girl child will get the basic rights. Some states provide free education for girls till the secondary level. So in some state, especially in our country India, many states, they provide free education only for girls till the secondary level so that they can get the basic education. Income tax law allows tax benefit for women. So even the income tax law are made so that it will be benefit for the woman. Girls can also claim a share in their parental property. So at present, even the girl child can ask for her property from their father's property. So these are the different types of laws which are made by the Indian government so that they can promote equality and justice in our country. And with this, we end the chapter.